Gata Moon. The snowy day. Hello, Gata Moon. What are you doing? You're practicing the letters. How fun! A, B, and C. Oh, and you've also learned how to draw stars. Great! What is Gato Rainbow doing? He's making so much noise. Gato Rainbow, are you going to dress up? Then what are you doing? Oh, it's snowing! And you're looking for clothes to be able to go out and play, right? We have to choose the perfect clothes for you so you don't get cold. Option number 1. Should these glasses and tube be worn while playing in the snow? No, they're for diving. Option number 2. Are these speakers, headphones, and microphone a good option to go outside? No, they would not be very useful. Option number 3. Are these business person clothes suitable for the cold? No, they're not. It also seems like you don't like talking on the phone so much. Option number 4. Is this bow enough to go play in the snow? No, although it's very beautiful. Option number 3. What about this coat? Finally, we found it! Do you want to call your sister so she can go out with you? How strange. Gato Rainbow always wants to play with his sister. Well, Gata Moon is very entertained, so it's all good. She's having a great time painting with her markers. She didn't even realize that Gato Rainbow is walking in front of her. Gato Rainbow, what happened? Are you okay? Wow, look at the snow! How pretty! And it melts when touching your hand. Gato Rainbow is having so much fun playing with the snow. Hey Gato Rainbow, are you sure you don't want to make the snowman with Gata Moon? This is very strange. But hey, maybe today Gato Rainbow wants to be alone. Oh my, Gata Moon! You really love drawing! What are you doing now? Oh, it's Gato Rainbow! How sweet! And another of the two of you together! Gata Moon really loves her brother. These drawings are so nice. Oops, was that Gato Rainbow? Let's see what he wants. Where is he? I think he wants to show you something. Oh, that's so beautiful, Gato Rainbow! You made a nice sculpture of the two of you? Was it a surprise and that's why you didn't want to call Gato Moon? It's beautiful! Oh, Gato Moon loved it. Uh-oh, the snow fight begins! See you soon, guys!